Eat healthy. MuttonBiryani. Rice biryani of mutton. Take mutton meat. Add water big 1 bowl. Add 1 sabat onion, sabat garlic, cut sliced ginger. Add to pinch salt and turmeric, mix garam masala sabat or grind whenever your choice, sabat cumin zira. Cook in low flame, even meat soft. Take rice as per choice. If rice 1 glass, add water 2 glass. Rice well washed. Meat soup is ready, even mutton has been soft. Take separate pan. Add cooking oil as per choice. Add 1 big size onion cut slice, 1 garlic chopped, 1 piece ginger cut slice. When all masala well fry, add meat. Well fry. Add dry masala like salt, red chili, turmeric, or biryani masala, mix garam masala or sabat garam masala cumin zira. Add cut tomatoes, cut slice green chili, add per choice. Add imli water as per choice. All well cook. Then add meat soup or clean water as per choice. When water boiled, add rice. When water dry, take dam 15 or 20 minutes. Biryani is ready. Serve with yogurt. Tasty.